GMSD is specialized in billiard lighting and immersive ambient lighting for 10+ years, with R&D, production and sales in one. Products reach 50+ global countries/regions. Our products are CE, RoHS, ETL, UL, certified. Full process QC, design production testing commissioning, ensures 100% qualified products. And can offer stable OEM/ODM service. We have about 15,000 square meters production base and a 120+ professional team. We integrate end-to-end capabilities under one roof. Equipped with 3 specialized divisions, R&D, 15+ senior engineers, quality control, QC, 8+ certified inspectors, and production management, ensuring every link from concept to delivery is precision-driven. Armed with advanced equipment including automated LED mounting machines, optical testing instruments, and CNC cutting tools, we turn technical designs into high-quality products with 100% production pass rate. From small batch design tweaks to large-scale OEM/ODM projects, we can help our clients to achieve their mind design, empower clients to realize tailored solutions. Professional billiard lighting and immersive ambient lighting, suitable for pool table hall, car 4S shops, supermarket, commercial spaces, offices, enhancing brand experience and space value. As a trusted manufacturer for the global market, we craft lighting solutions that redefine style and performance for billiard lovers across. The billiard lights deliver even, flicker-free illumination, ensuring clear visibility for every shot, while the ambient lighting adds warm, adjustable tones to set the perfect mood for clubs, homes, and commercial venues. We believe great lighting transforms every billiard moment. Partner with us to bring professional, stylish, and atmosphere-driven lighting solutions to your customers. Let's light up the game, together.